From the author of Negotiating Your Desired Future with Today's Currency and I Shall Rise Again, comes the latest manual set to redefine 21st century effective ministry.
You don't build a ministry on people's gifts and talents. That is not the primary. You don't build a church on the pastor's gift of working of miracles. You build a church on the word.
Introducing 4 dynamic manuals that will not only teach and inspire pastors and leaders in ministry, but raise and train members to become fully matured sons and daughters in the kingdom. Dr. Michael Huttonwood from the Leaders Factory introduces the 101 series, featuring Academy 101, Ministry 101, Leadership 101, and Pastoral Leadership 101.
Joining the congregation to become a member or a worshiper is not enough.
Learn foundations for Christian living, effective membership, and much more.
You must move further to the next C, which is committed. So you have community, crowd, congregation, then you have what? The committed. And then some move on to get into what we call the core, which is the core of leadership.
Keys to effective ministry, including principles of leadership.
You are born to lead. Jesus came to restore you back to leadership.
Training materials from the School of Impactful Pastoral Leadership, and much more.
Be fruitful with your gifts. Multiply your gifts. Replenish the earth. Let the earth know that you were here.
The 101 series, a must for your library. Order your copy today. Please call, write, or visit our website using the information on your screen.